Frog body systems, the excretory system. So the excretory system focuses on the action, the work of the kidneys. The kidneys, which are located um, on the back of the frog. So if your frog's laying on its back, it is on the back. You can see the spine running there. And then the kidneys are flat. They're not round and look like kidney beans like human kidneys. So don't confuse the spleen. You might see the spleen. There's just going to be one of them, but it looks more like a human kidney. These are flat. So the kidneys filter the blood of excess salt and chemicals. It sends these substances to the bladder using tubes that are called ureters, or sometimes people will call them ureters. So you're going to find your two flat-ish kidneys and the ureters, the tubes, which lead to the urinary bladder, which basically looks like um, just a loose piece of skin. I haven't seen any of the frog bladders have urine in them. And then these orange structures here, kind of orangish yellow, they're also going to be oily, kind of slimy. These are the fat bodies. The spleen, and you can't really see it very well here, but on most of the frogs, the spleen is more of a kind of a burgundy color. It is more of a kidney shape or a circular shape, maybe an oval even. This spleen recycles old red blood cells into new ones. The adrenal glands are what provide the energy for the frog, and this energy is going to be stored again in these oily yellow fat bodies. So the fat bodies originate here and can grow quite large. They store energy. So you might actually encounter fat bodies upon the initial opening of your frog if the frog has a lot of stored energy. You can cut them out if they're in the way, but you will have to come all the way down here to the base of the frog here with the kidneys to cut them out. Now, for the rest of the materials that are excreted, when we're talking about urine, we're talking about a nitrogenous waste, a liquid. Well, what about the undigested materials from your digestive system that enter into your large intestine? So the indigestible materials pass through the large intestine and into the cloaca, which is a common exit, a chamber for the digestive, excretory, and reproductive systems. So that means that urine, feces, and sperm or eggs all exit the cloaca. So here again for reference is your skinny small intestine. It will, you'll see the skinniness stop and it gets really big. And this little short stubby area is the large intestine. That's it, and that's all. You can see it's kind of brown. It looks brown. And really, what that is, it's not the intestine itself, it's this undigested material that is underneath it, the waste. And this is usually pretty solid because of the water that has been absorbed in the large intestine. So you will cut out the intestines. You can cut them out all in one piece. You can cut them out separately and do measurements of them, and also cut into the waste in the large intestine to see what may be in there, because you might have some of the exoskeletons from the bugs might make it to the large intestine because the frog wasn't able to digest it.